representative and of course the one and only Miss Judy Ann Santos. So,
kapalit doon o katabi ng salitang longest, pinakamatanda eh.
Ko rin na nag-inubest ko ang ako ng bagay. Sabi nung isang post ko din sa talk show ko ba, sabi niya,
doing my dreams, not actually becoming a chef, but being an inspiration to you, to my daughter.